This is a quick build guide, and we're going to be putting on the motors. We're going to be using 221210, and these are Supo motors. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I've been getting these from Altitude Hobbies, and so far, I mean, these guys have been really, really good. Every order comes through and it's right, and it's really quick. So hats off to these guys. I'm not getting anything for this. We buy all of our motors, but I just have to say they're good guys. Also, we're using 845 props, and that came from those guys too. So let's get going on here. We're going to use tie straps to put these on, and that's what I do with this series of quads that we have. And it's been kind of designed around that because it works really, really well, and I haven't had any problems at all. Just don't buy the really cheap tie bands, tie straps. Get a good one. They don't cost that much, and just get a good one. So anyway, we're going to start out, and we're going to get one of these on. My tie bands are a little bit long today. That's all I had here. I usually have them, they're about 2 inches, 2.5 inches long. But anyway, these will work. They've been sitting around for a while, so put them to good use. So we're going to get this put on here. And it's real simple using these, and you know, it's good to check them every so often just to make sure, you know, they're all in good shape. And you know, even if you screw it on, it's even with Loctite, I still like to double check them. You'd be surprised sometimes. So anyway, we're getting these put on. It's very, very fast, and you know, it's easy. And it makes for a good build. And let me go ahead and turn this around, and we'll put this one on. One good surprise, I have been putting the connectors on, having to solder them, and this group of motors that came in, they were already on. So I mean, wow, that's a nice surprise. So basically, this quad here, the only soldering is going to be on these for the battery connector, and if you wanted to shorten the wires up, you know, you'd have some soldering to do there. But if not, that's the only bit you have there, and makes it for a real easy and convenient build. So anyway, that's it on that. To put the motor on, really easy. And we're going to go ahead and hook up the wires, and we'll check rotation, and you know, switch any two to get it turning the right way. There's plenty of information out there about that. If you do need any help with it, please send me something. Put it on the bottom there of this video, and I'll be more than happy to help you out with it. And what we're going to wind up doing is putting and I'll put one on here just to show you how it looks. But we're going to strap this down. And everybody has a different way. Some people put this on the bottom of the arm. I normally put it on the top. And what's going to wind up happening here is that I use these wires at this length because, like I've said quite a few times, is that I will move this from quad to quad, or you know, do some changing up, try something new, and I don't have to extend the wires if I do something that needs a little bit longer wiring. What I'll wind up doing underneath here is that this is just going to be turned like that, and once it's on, I mean, it makes for a very good installation, real clean. But let me go ahead and get the rest of these motors on here, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so we have the motors on. Go ahead and put the deck on, and we'll mount the controller. and we'll finish this thing up. Thank you very much. We'll check you out next time.